Good morning, guys. So today, really simple task. We gotta hold our diesel tank in position, and this guy broke, so we're just gonna make another one of these and put it back on the starboard diesel tank. Alright, all loaded up. Get rid of some oil, put that in here, and dispose of that. So much stuff for the boat. So we put this new block here, hardwood. This one was still okay. Previous one broken. Now we can attach the holders, strap them around. Alright, there we're gonna place the impeller cover screws. I got some nice stainless steel ones.
So today we'll be working on our starboard side window. We got the screws off yesterday from the outside, and now we gotta heat up the seals, remove the seals, and then take out the window, clean everything up, clean up the edges, put new sealant, put the windows back in, and that's the job done on the windows. Tomorrow I'm going for my motorboat exam. It's the Greek motorboat license. It'll allow me to drive up to 25-meter motorboats. So I'll be ready for Metis, and once I have the license, we'll be on the boat a lot. But first we gotta get the window in. We gotta get our license together. Somebody's calling us. Yes, hello? Yes.
Okay, I'm Ioana. I'll be your interpreter for tomorrow.
Excellent. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
A bit nervous, but I hope it'll be fine tomorrow.
No, don't worry. Don't be nervous. Everything's gonna be fine. Let's meet 8:45. Is it okay?
8:45, yeah.
Okay, so see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Thanks a lot.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Take care. Bye-bye. So just to be on the safe side, I booked an interpreter who will help me answer the questions, which are all in Greek. And I'm not a fan of exams, so I'll feel safer with her around and her translating everything into English. So let's go with that. And I'll let you guys know tomorrow how it all went and what they asked, what I had to do, and take it from there.